morning. So it's a little later, it's almost 10:30. Today I'm doing something a little different. Today I'm joining in the IRUNFAR Operation Inspiration virtual race. This is where people from all over the world are coming together and working out for at least 1 hour. Today I will be doing a running race here at Rio Vista Community Park. I'm going to do 2.5 laps, so that will be a 10-mile run. Pretty excited about that, of course. So this is something we're all coming together in different places, but yet we're all coming together as one to show our unity. The fundraising will go towards World Health Organization COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund. So, pretty serious thing. This is, our world is so upside down right now. So, I'm gonna have a little fun with it today, and this is Training with Johnny Shots. The race director to get the course set up and everything. We got a 10:40 start today. Weird time, I don't know. Got a few minutes here to do a gear review, quick check-in with you. Okay, so starting off today, I'll be running with the Patagonia or Patagucci. I believe they call this the Duckbill or Short Bill race hat. Of course, the Goodr sunglasses. I call these my cool blues. I have the Northern Arizona Run in Arizona shirt. I have the race bib, which I can't believe I got #1. I don't know how that happened. Crazy, but pretty excited about that. And I'm in the first corral today. That never happens. I'm usually a mid to back of the pack runner, so pretty excited about that, starting off in the first corral. Get out there early. I've got the rabbit shorts, supporting the rabbit shorts. I have the XOSkin short sock. And yes, breaking out the Hoka One One Carbon X shoe. It's race day, baby. We're going, we're bringing out all the stops. Of course, I never go anywhere without my Camelback butt pack and 20-ounce insulated Camelback water bottle. I've already sprayed on some butter, dry oil banana boat. Got to make sure we have our suntan on. And of course, the earbuds, Apple earbuds. I have the Apple XR phone with a Gorilla cover. And I am recording this on a GoPro Hero 7 Black. And of course, we're doing the pre-race with the Rockstar energy drink. But here we are at the start line, and not quite sure where everybody is. But I guess since this is a virtual race, I guess they're here with me. Okay, so we're off. Feeling good. Woohoo! Check back in at 2 miles. Okay, 2 mile check-in. Doing great, feeling great. There's hardly anybody out here. Kind of sad. I did see one of my running friends, so I'm excited about that. I think she'll catch up here pretty soon. I was watching a couple of my videos last night and thinking how 2020 was going to be so awesome, and to go one more, and now here we are, just struggling to hold on. So let's keep pushing. Woohoo! Okay, just finished 4 miles, coming into the first aid station, and let's see what they got here. Wow. Whew. Looks like we have a BPN field bar, a Honey Stinger waffle, some sports beans, a Honey Stinger energy gel, probably caffeinated, knowing Johnny shots, and a goo from an Air Viper race. Awesome. All right. And of course, it's break time. Okay, leaving the aid station, and I grabbed a Stinger energy chew and a new water bottle filled with BPN Embrace the Suck pre-workout, and this stuff has got some jolt, so we should have a good next 4 miles. We'll see you at 6. Woohoo! Okay, 6 mile check-in. I'm doing good. Feeling good. Woohoo! Water station, or aid station. Coming in hot, coming in hot. Coming in hot. I need water, I need water. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. All right, all right. We're back out on the course again, and I got water. I went with the jelly beans and grabbed the Honey Stinger waffle. So 8 mile check-in, 2 more miles to go. I got this, running hard, feeling good. All right. Good job. Sun's out, guns out, baby, huh? Woohoo! All right, 9 mile check-in, feeling good, keeping up a good pace. We're gonna do this, baby. Woo! Woo-hoo! All right, so finished up the run and feeling good. I kept it at a good pace, moderate pace the whole time, and let's see what our Strava count says. I think my heart rate was pretty good, except maybe that last mile I kind of picked it up a little bit just to feel a little workout. So loved it. I love the Hoka One Carbon X. They're a great shoe. Highly recommend them. 10 miles, 1 hour 41 minutes. Not a great time for me, of course, but just doing work. Kept my heart rate down the whole time. That's what they're recommending right now. And picked up the last mile. Got the heart rate up a little bit, but we'll look at the Strava account, see what happens. So, all right. IRUNFAR virtual race. Let's go over to the awards ceremony. Okay, Johnny Shots here, race director for the IRUNFAR operation inspiration virtual race. Today we had a great participant with John Schott out here, and he did a great job. 10-mile run, and we're pretty proud of him. We're trying to save as much money as we can for the funds to go to the all the relief and all the patrons. So we didn't really have any awards ceremony today, but with taking first place in his age group, 57-year-olds, we did get a special rock since he ran in the river bottom. We thought it would be appropriate to give him a river rock. So to practice social distancing, here you go, John. All right, thanks, Johnny. Wow, great day today, and just appreciate you watching. IRUNFAR. Saturday, April 4th, 2020. And today was a good day.